click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the notification of every video I upload.
Hello friends, this is iDroid in question, and in this video I am going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy J7 2017 and J7 2016. So let's watch. Friends, if we talk about the Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro or 2017, so it is getting Oreo update in some of Europe countries. Still this phone has not get any type of Oreo update in some countries like Pakistan, India. But I hope this device will get the Oreo update in the start of the month of November. And if we talk about the Samsung Galaxy J7 2016, so it is also getting an Oreo update in some countries like Malaysia, Indonesia, etc. So friends, thanks for watching. This is the latest news. Subscribe, like and share the video. Peace out.